Jumpstart is a 8-week summer research opportunity for high school students who attend schools in Caddo Parish. We want to target high school students because we want to make sure that we are reaching students at an earlier age. We want to introduce them to careers that they may not know about.
It's one of the most immersive and in-depth experiences you can get into STEM. There's a lot of different mentors and different projects.
It is an avenue of opportunity for students such as Alex to get exposed to clinical medicine, basic science research, translational research, and cutting-edge technology that's available literally at their doorstep here at LSU Health.
Well, Jumpstart provides amazing opportunities for me. Dr. Orr, who's my mentor, he has helped me and guided me through everything I need to know, and even helped me with my research project that can help me get my name into a grant.
I think for our institution, the biggest benefit that we get is, one, helping our community, building up our local biomedical workforce, and then, really providing a pipeline to help get some of our students into our labs, get them doing research, build them up, and, build a biomedical research workforce here in Northwest Louisiana.
I got amazing experience last year, and even though I wasn't working in a lab last year, it was still great. I want to be an audiologist, and this program helped me get an opportunity to work with audiologists and shadow them, and I really solidified my choice in what I want to do in college.
I really recommend high school students to sign up for the Jumpstart program and just test it out one summer.